You know the pain spending hours scheduling social media posts, trying to figure out complicated automation software that won't post to your personal or your professional profile, and losing momentum while you keep trying to find the time for batching your work. Most people think social media automation can't touch personal profiles until now. Perplexity's Comet browser just changed that. Its AI ability goes beyond just writing content. The AI assistant can actually post for you. Schedule on your profile, stack comment threads, and run it like a 24/7 assistant, handling multiple posts per day. I'm going to show you what that looks like, why it matters for your business, and how you can get started with my link that's in the description. Quick note, if you want my exact prompts, my format, and my AI tools that I use for this setup, grab the free toolkit in the description. Use my affiliate comment link there if you want to try it out and follow along. At the time of this recording, you also get a free month of Perplexity Pro, which opens the door even wider to what you can do inside. Now, let's get into why this is a total game changer. Most schedulers can handle scheduling to pages, but your personal and professional profiles, forget about it. You think the ability to schedule saves you time, but it's still time you have to set aside to batch, and it's not truly automated until now. Comet AI's assistant flips that script. It can read the context of your open tabs, operate inside your browser, and execute the tasks for you, like posting directly to your profile, scheduling for a future date, choosing a background color, and even posting a pre-written comment thread underneath the post. And what's even better, it can do it multiple times, not just once. That's a game changer. Okay, I'm going to demo the process in a moment, but first, let me explain why Comet can do what other tools can't. Having agent-enabled browsing, Comet runs what's called agentic tasks across the tabs, so one prompt can inspect multiple pages and act on them. Have you ever had multiple tabs open at one time? Welcome to Workspaces, where you can group your project tabs and have the agent keep context across all of them, keeping your once crazy 20 tabs open into a nice, easy-to-find set of containers. You also have an assistant sidebar, quick contextual actions for whatever page you're on, summarizing, doing deep research, scheduling appointments, publishing social media, and so much more. And exporting and automation. Export results into Google Docs, Notion, and schedule repeat tasks. Now, this next part might sound crazy. Imagine Comet finding high-intent leads on Reddit, drafting personalized outreach, and putting that into your Gmail as queued drafts. I'm not exaggerating. This is real. Comet isn't just a search engine. It's an assistant that executes. And I know I'm only scratching the surface as to what this AI browser can do. Now let's get into the really fun part. Let's show you how I can take my social media content posts generated from using my Facebook Viral Post Creator GPT that I demoed in the last video to schedule not just one, but multiple posts at a time with Comet AI's assistant. Not only am I saving time with the posting, but I'm also doing that with creating. The details to the GPT will be in the description. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to this channel and you find the content valuable, I encourage you to give me a like on the video and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my Amplify Your Business community for coaches and solopreneurs who want to increase their visibility on social media, learn how to attract their ideal client avatars with AI so they can amplify their business and be more visible. And if you haven't joined the Amplify Your Business school community yet, the link is in the description, where we hold regular workshop challenges and teach coaches and solopreneurs how to attract their ideal clients and amplify their business with AI. Let's get started. Save time creating content. Definitely check out my custom GPT called the Viral Post Creator. It's so easy to just click start, answer a few questions on what you promote, who your target audience is, and what your call to action is, and it will give you a hook-type Facebook post with comment ladders that drive massive engagement and conversions. The link will be in the description if you want to get access to that. After I get my headline and comment threads, I bring it on over to a Word document, format it so I can upload it with my prompt into my Comet Assistant. I put together a document that has my universal prompt and formatting instructions, so if you want a copy of that, go ahead and comment prompt in the comments below and I'll be sure to get you the link. So to start your automation for uploading your Facebook posts into your professional dashboard, you're going to want to open that up, go to the content section, and click on the Comet Assistant in the upper right-hand corner so it opens up on the right-hand side of your professional dashboard. You're then going to upload your document that has your formatted Facebook post, and then you're going to copy the prompt into the Comet text area. You're going to go ahead and submit that, and it's going to start working right in front of your eyes. Comet may ask to verify a couple of things, so you just go ahead and answer them or click continue to post. When it starts turning blue on the screen, that means it's working, and you can watch it, see how it works, and make sure it's doing what it needs to be doing. I usually have another screen open, so I move it off to the screen and start doing my other work. So it is working in the background. And I'll check it every now and then just to make sure everything's going as planned. But you can see how it copies the post, then it goes to pick the color of the background, and then it looks to go schedule, and it's going to continue going through each post and each comment so it can start to add the comment threads one at a time. And it's just going to go through each of your posts and the comment threads, uploading them one at a time. This is such a huge time saver, you guys. I have not found any other program that will schedule to my professional dashboard like Comet AI Assistant has been able to do. This is just revolutionary. It saves me so much time. So if you have not tried the Comet AI browser yet, definitely download it. It is free to use. And at the time of this recording, when you use my affiliate link in the description to download the Comet AI browser, you're going to get 1 free month of Perplexity Pro, which is an amazing LLM that I use all the time. Instead of Googling, I Perplexity it. If you want to see my Facebook Threads viral post generator in action, check out this video. Don't forget, if you want the exact prompts and the details on how to do this with your social media, definitely check out the link in the description and let me know how much you love the new AI Comet browser. See you on the next video.